The Makabayan bloc is expected to file their impeachment complaint against the Vice President. However, does the Congress have enough time to possibly pass this to the Senate? Here's a report.
After Akbayan endorsed the civic-led impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte, Makabayan bloc will file their version of the impeachment raps versus the Vice President. They claim that 50 signatories will join them in filing their complaint.
Malaking red flag na sa atin na unang half year pa lang niya. Doon pa lang, diba ni-request na niya yung 125 million pesos na confidential funds na nagastos in 11 days. So naupo siya, gumawa ng mali. Kung hindi naman na dapat pang magtagal, edi dapat nang matanggal.
However, does the Congress have enough time to tackle the complaints? A verified complaint needs to have the support of the 1/3 of the 307 lawmakers in the House before it can proceed to the Senate. The House Speaker's office has 10 session days to include the complaint in the order of business and refer it to the Committee on Justice. The committee has 60 session days to pass a report and recommendation to the plenary. Bataan 1st District Representative Geraldine Roman cast her reservations about the progress of the impeachment complaints.
To Justice Corona, that took approximately around 4 months and a half. So the question is, ano bang break natin? December 21. Mababato na kaya yan sa Justice Committee. Tapos if we start by January, tapos magbe-break kami ng bandang Febrero, magre-resume kami dahil election year. Bandang Mayo na, okay lang pa.
But Kabataan Party List Representative Raul Manuel remains optimistic about their pursuit to oust the Vice President.
Merong time pa before the campaign period kasi ang session ng Congress magre-resume po siya by January 13 after nung holiday break. So ibig sabihin may ganong panahon pa para sa mga senador na upuan din talaga ang impeachment complaint na ipo-forward ng Kamara, assuming nga na ayun, susulong siya.
Malacanang has distanced itself from the impeachment complaints. Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamina emphasized President Bongbong Marcos' previous statement regarding this issue. Marcos said an impeachment complaint against his former running mate is not beneficial to the public right now.
The statement of the President is unambiguous na wala kaming kinalaman dyan. And we are not going to encourage that. Any suggestion na political yan or instigated by our side, no.
Senate President Jesus Codero told senators to refrain from commenting about the impeachment complaint. He said the Senate should be free from any perception of bias once they have to act as an impeachment court. The OVP has yet to comment about these complaints. For News 5, I'm Marian Enriquez. We are One News.